Step 1. Faceless YouTube channels are making millions of views every week by creating engaging videos that work well with the YouTube algorithm. But unlike most creators who need to hire writers and narrators, you can take a big shortcut that saves you time and money. AI technology has brought a revolution to YouTube. If you act fast, you can be at the forefront of this wave before anyone else. In fact, YouTuber Jensen Tung demonstrated how simple it is to create a YouTube channel using AI alone. By asking ChatGPT to handle every aspect of his videos, he effortlessly gained 100,000 views within a few days. And you have the same opportunity. You could even transform a popular article into a YouTube video with just a few clicks, generating a steady stream of passive income. By the way, this will be our next video topic on this channel, more specifically showing the various methods of generating passive income on YouTube. Liam James K followed a similar path as Jensen Tung. He researched the best title ideas that would attract viewers and used multiple AI platforms to establish a faceless YouTube channel capable of generating high-quality content in just seconds. With this remarkable technology accessible to people worldwide, requiring nothing more than internet access, it's only logical to take advantage of it and make your life much easier. But how? Step 2. Find a popular niche on YouTube that has already proven to be successful, or choose something you're good at and love doing. Then use AI to create your own version using the popular software called ChatGPT. If you're unfamiliar with ChatGPT, you must have lived under a rock for a while. Just provide a brief summary of your video's topic and any specific points you want to cover. Then ask ChatGPT to generate a script based on that information. Within seconds, you'll have a well-crafted script ready to bring your video to life. So whether you're exploring a popular niche or pursuing your passion, incorporating AI technologies like ChatGPT can revolutionize your YouTube journey. Step 3. You'll want to create the title of your YouTube video as it plays a crucial role in attracting viewers. But rather than struggling to come up with the perfect title, let ChatGPT do the work for you. Ask ChatGPT to generate multiple title ideas specifying any keywords or elements you want to include. You can then choose the most compelling title that aligns with your content and captivates your target audience. And if you really want to take things up a notch, I encourage you to utilize both TubeBuddy and vidIQ to search for related keywords and determine the monthly search volume of the topic you plan to cover. For example, you might be interested in covering the recent drama between Ronaldo and Messi, but there might be a much higher demand for drama surrounding Nicki Minaj and Cardi B. This will probably give you a lot more views, but you can also just choose what you want to cover and that you are passionate about. Step 4. A concise and engaging video description is also important for giving viewers a clear understanding of your video's content and enticing them to watch. Just ask ChatGPT to generate a description that summarizes the key points or highlights of your video. You can even specify any specific details or keywords that you got from TubeBuddy and vidIQ that you want to include. But wait, you can have the best script in the world and it will mean absolutely nothing without some high-quality visuals. So let's get to the part you have all been waiting for, the creation of the actual video. Step 5. Now that you have picked your niche and acquired the skills to source an abundant and consistent stream of high-quality content that you know will work, it's time to create content for YouTube. So let me introduce you to my little friend, Nova AI. I've done a bunch of research, and for this specific use case scenario, I'm yet to find a better solution than this software. Simply put, Nova AI will take all of your stock footage and compile it into one fantastic video based on the script you use, which can be done with just a few clicks of a button. But it gets better because you can also use the Nova platform to add subtitles and video effects, which are super important for audience retention and makes the video a whole lot better. Step 6. YouTube thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting viewers to your video. Without getting viewers to click on your thumbnail, your video will ultimately get 0 views. All you need to do is use Midjourney AI to create a cartoon version of what is going to be covered in the video, which can then be used for the thumbnail. For example, suppose the video involves Will Smith and Chris Rock duking it out at an awards ceremony. You will simply use the prompt, create a cartoon version of Will Smith smacking Chris Rock at the Oscars in a format that can be used as a YouTube thumbnail. And voila, you're left with a fantastic thumbnail that will bring in all those juicy clicks. Step 7. This step involves taking your video and uploading it to YouTube so that the rest of the world can see it. And while you could absolutely do this yourself, I would suggest taking a look at Axiom. Axiom is is fantastic for YouTube automation, as it was specifically made to make creators' lives easier. With this incredible software, you can automate just about everything within your browser, from opening up YouTube Studio and uploading a video and thumbnail to scheduling upload times and so much more. This will literally make your life as a YouTube creator and manager so much easier. Step 8. Building a loyal community is crucial for long-term success. While automation can help manage interactions efficiently, it's important to maintain a personal touch. Responding to comments, engaging with your viewers, and fostering a sense of connection will keep your audience coming back for more. Strike a balance between automation and genuine engagement to create a thriving community around your channel. Also, collaborating with other creators can exponentially expand your reach and introduce your content to new audiences. Step 9. You will need to automate. And what I mean is that you will need to continuously improve your automation to make it even more streamlined. Don't just create the automation and let it sit. Instead, use that extra time to make it even better to beat out your competition. So consider hiring a personal assistant or a YouTube channel manager to handle the day-to-day operations and small everyday tasks that can't be automated for quality control. These channel managers can cost you as much as 10 USD per hour, and you would only need to have them work for a maximum of 1 hour a day. And if you leverage the power of these exceptional AI software tools to make all of your content, then you will be gradually scaling a YouTube channel for only $10 a week, assuming you are posting 1 video a week. Even though artificial intelligence is changing the face of YouTube as we know it, content creators across the internet will soon be jumping on ChatGPT and other AI platforms to make every part of their videos. And you can do the same. Jump on the train now and push your channel to new heights. Or if you have some money to spend and can invest money back into your channel, then you can hire someone to do all the work for you. However, we will cover this topic in a separate video, but it doesn't stop there. Click the like button and subscribe, as we are just getting started on showing how to create the life of your dreams through YouTube. Best of luck on your YouTube journey, and thanks for watching.